In this video, I'm going to show you how to see blocked accounts on Instagram. After blocking an account on Instagram, you want to see the list of accounts you've blocked so far on Instagram. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. On this interface, proceed to tap on these three ellipses on the top right corner. Then continue to tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down a bit until you locate blocked. Then continue to tap on it, and there you are. You will have the list of blocked accounts on Instagram. In this case, I've already blocked one account. In the event you want to unblock it, all you have to do is to tap on unblock. So you'll be prompted with a menu with a question mark whether you want to unblock this account. All you have to do is to proceed to tap on unblock, and that's it. You have unblocked that account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.